Welcome back to the channel. So with our first video, we spoke about how you can use the anti-gravity and ChatGPT to create your portfolio website. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can push your code to GitHub and deploy on Vercel. Let's get into today's video. So to be able to push your code to GitHub, you have to first create a repository. So let's create a repository by tapping on the new. So we tap on the new, then we create a repository. We have to name the repository, so let's name it maybe port. Let's name it port. Okay, then we scroll down. You should remember that it should remain public. Then we create the repository, then wait for it to load. Remember that we are coming back for this link of this repository. We'll come back for the link. So we have to have Git installed on our terminal. So I already have it, but then I'll show it to you. So if you are to install the Git, you install it and run the extension automatically runs in your terminal, so you can be able to deploy it to GitHub. So this is Git. You have to make sure that you have to install this, or else you can't push your code to GitHub. So remember to install Git before you move to the next step I'll be teaching you. So let's move to the next step. Let's open our portfolio, the one we did in our previous video in anti-gravity. We're going to be using AI to push this code. No technicalities, just prompt. So push this code to this repository. So we'll go back for our link on GitHub. So let's go to GitHub for our link. So this is our link. Let's copy it manually. So this is our link, so we'll copy it. Copy our link. Okay, we go to anti-gravity, then we paste it. Simple. Enter. And no stress. Let's wait for it to load and run. We'll be running some things so we can be able to, because the anti-gravity will be running the commands that you are supposed to run. Type it. We are not keeping that in this era, so you just give the prompt and to be run. That's what I'm clicking on. Run. Just run. So you just running. If you have not installed the Git, you will likely get this error that install your Git. The anti-gravity will give you the link to install your Git. If you just move straight to this step, the anti-gravity will tell you to go and install Git before you can be able to push the code to GitHub. So remember to install your Git before you come to anti-gravity to push the code. So let's wait while our code is being pushed to GitHub. So we'll keep on running. Just be running it. When it comes, just run. Just run. And the comments in the code, you can tell anti-gravity to clear all the comments in the code, because when you create a website and you're trying to scale it and the person views the code and sees the comment, the person will say, oh, you use AI, so why are you charging so high? So to charge very high, for the person to see that, so we run into an issue, you just click on retry. If you ever run into this issue, just click on retry, then retry it again from where it stopped. You have to clear all the comments, or else the person buying will be like, oh nah, you can't charge me because it just is it won't create much credibility. So remember that you have to always clear all the comments in the code before you can sell it or scale it to someone or show it to someone that, okay, this is what you did. You understand? We are vibe coders. Don't worry about it. Just remember to clear all the comments in your code. So finally, our code has been pushed to GitHub. Perfect. Simple process. No stress. Just click on it. Then we see our code on GitHub. Yes, our code is on GitHub now. Simply. So I have actually authorized my GitHub with Vercel. So when I go to Vercel, so let's go to Vercel. So when I go to Vercel, my GitHub repository has already been imported on Vercel, so I'll just have to just click on one thing, just import. So you see it here. So when I reach here, I'll just click on projects and I click new. So let's click on add new. Where am I? Add new project. Then I've already authorized my GitHub with mine, so I'll just have to just import it. These are code that we push to GitHub. See here just now. So just import it. Then we scroll down. Then click on deploy. After clicking on deploy, then we just wait for it to load. It's building the logs, deployment summary, and all that. Finally, we are pushing. Congratulations! Finally, our code is live now. Portfolio website is live now. Let's continue to the dashboard. You can add domains. If you bought a domain from any hosting or anything, you can just add a domain. So when someone search it with just the starting, it appears. But with this, you have to use the link of what Vercel will give you. So this is the link Vercel gave us. So let's click on the link Vercel gave us, and now we are in. Our website is live now. You can just copy the link at the top here, share it to someone. You can view it on your phone and you see how the mobile view feels like. Simply, no stress. Simply done. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to someone. That will help. So this is our code on GitHub finally pushed. You can do editing. After editing your portfolio, you can still push it to GitHub, then update. Or so now we have our website live on Vercel, which you can share the link to your friends, family, for them to view their website on their phones everywhere they are without you giving them the code. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share this video.